tasted champagne. I've never fit with the popular crowd, and I've been told by some around me this world's fun and I've missed out. I don't
Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. Today we are going to be going over the chords and generally how to play the song I've Been to Calvary. So we're going to talk about the chords and the rhythms that I use in this arrangement. This song is in the key of G, and you heard probably just a clip of it here at the beginning. There is an intro and stuff, and that's in another video, and also some second verse licks and some chorus licks and stuff, and that'll be covered in other videos. But today we're just going to generally learn how to play the song, and it will completely work without all those licks and stuff. We're just going to go over the chord structure and the rhythm. So let's go ahead and get started. And normally I cover this verse by verse and chorus by chorus, but there's only a few slight differences in this. So I'm going to cover basically the whole song of the chords and rhythm in this one video. So you could actually play this whole song after learning this video. All right, so we're in the key of G. That's the key we're going to play it in. And let's talk about the G that we're going to use. So here's a normal G, B, and D. But I am going to add the 2 of that in there and play A. Gives it kind of this sound right here, and it's in 4/4 time, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do it on the 1 and 3, or if you're thinking real slow, you can think 1, 2, 3, 4. But just play it like a strumming guitar. So our left hand's gonna play an octave G, and our right hand's gonna play this G, or you can, if you can't reach an octave, just play a low note G. Or you could play this one, but I like the low. It's kind of like it's what the bass guitar is doing, and this is what a strumming guitar is doing. So we're going to create the rhythm and just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, as you want to, you don't have to, you can play the 5th, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the chord you're playing. So that would be a D down here on the ands. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Just kind of like a upstroke on a guitar. We can't do an upstroke with our right hand, so we just kind of do that on the downbeat there. Okay, so you'll see me do that some. You don't have to do that. You can but if you wonder what that is, that's what it is. And then like in C, it would be G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. Or you just don't have to. So let's jump right into the verse here. And this is going to apply to both verses, other than the end is a little bit different on this arrangement that I'm doing. There's some kind of pulsing that takes place. But let's go over the first verse. So it starts out, well, I've never tasted champagne. So we're just creating that rhythm. I'm never fit with a popular. Then on crowd, we're going to go to a E minor. All right, so left hand's playing an octave E, an E and an E, or a low note E, whatever you can reach. And then the right hand's playing E, G, and B on crowd. Popular crowd. And watch your chords on your chord sheet, so you can go back. It'll cut time down on that. So I've never tasted champagne. I've never fit with the popular crowd. There's that E minor. And I'm just going to B on that. I've been told by some around me. So on some, we're going to a G with the D in the left hand. So we're after the E minor, so you just pull this down to a D here, and then we're going to play this G. D, G, and B. So it's like you take this G and put that D down there. Still a G chord, just we're playing it like this. Our thumb's kind of following our left hand. So I was holding a G there. It should have been a D because it's a G with a D in the left hand. So far we got never tasted champagne. Playing this G with the A in there. I'll never fit with the popular crowd. E minor. And I've been told by some, and it's on some. I might have said told a second ago, but it's on some. We're going to play that G over D. I've been told by some, and we're headed to C around me. So octave C down here, and then E, G, and C. We're going to play this C. So we've taken the E and the G from this regular C and put it down here. Still a C chord. So around me. All right, and then we're going to hit a C suspended. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that C suspended is just taking this E and hitting 1 on F on the 4 of that measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right. So we got the G over D by some around me. This world's fun and I've missed. Then on out, we're just going to state the chord. We're going to kind of stop rhythm. We're just going to hold it. D. So the D I'm going to use is D, F sharp, and A. And then we're going to go E minor, but I'm going to play just a 2-finger, so E in the left hand. After we hit that D, we're going to do this walk like this. So we're going to go D, and then an E octave with, we're going to do a E and then F sharp, but kind of correct and slide to that G to make an E minor. And you can just go, you can play the whole E minor. I just play those 2 fingers though. I missed out. And then an F sharp with the same D in the right hand. So F sharp in the left hand, then D, D, F sharp, and A. And you can play this one if you want the thumb to follow. You can just put the D up here. But I think I just do that. All right. So far we got, well, I've never tasted champagne. I've never fit with a popular crowd. And I've been told by some around me, this world's fun and I missed out. Spend my life chasing a fortune. Okay, now after that, it's, you're gonna see how this chord progression is kind of the same thing over and over. A few different changes, but now we're just back to doing kind of the same thing. We're gonna go G down to E minor to the G with the D, and then the C with that C suspended, all the way up until that D. We won't do that walk, but you're gonna see that. So I haven't spent my life chasing a fortune. Fortune, we're back on G. I've never walked the halls of fame. E minor. I don't have a fancy edge. G over D on education. Education. Now on cation of education, we're going to play a C that we played before. Cation, like this. That C suspended C. Put a title by my name. Instead of doing that walk, we're just going to stay on this D. So D, F sharp, and A. By my name. Now we're in the chorus. But I've been to Calvary. So I've been to, on the beginning of Calvary, we're going to go back and hit this G again. It's just going to kind of loop around. Same G we did before. Calvary. I met the one who gave his. Then on life, we're going to that E minor, just like we did in the verse. Life for me. I'm forgiven. And on and, we're doing the G with the D down there. And I've, then to C on been set free. C suspended to C. From this world of misery. Now on misery, we're going to hit a D, but we're just going to hold it. Misery, I've been to. Then on the beginning of Calvary, we're going to play a measure or 2. Calvary. Stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right. So the whole chorus is, but I've been to Calvary. I met the one who gave his life for me. I'm forgiven and I've been set free from this world of misery. I've been to Calvary. All right. Then you're into the second verse. Now, the second verse, I'm not going to go over everything. It's the exact same as the first verse. Even that stop that we went over with that D, E minor to D over F sharp, other than the end of it. So let me get you through that second verse here, and let me move my notes up here. And basically the end, that D, at the very end of the verse, you'll see there on your chord chart, there's just kind of this pulsing motion. It's like, and we'll just do an octave. Well, let's get through the verse. Let's go ahead and just do the verse here. So, my Lord is such a sweet companion, just like the first verse. He meets with me in times of prayer. When the storm steers my direction, sea suspended the sea, a still small voice tells me he's there. Just like the first verse. E minor to D over F sharp. I have joy when they say I shouldn't, and I have peace when it doesn't make sense. See how it's just the same? Persevere when I lost all strength. All right, so here's the different part. On strength, persevere when I lost all strength, or my strength. I've heard people say it different there. We're going to play an octave D with an F sharp in there, and you can add this A, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're going to pulse it on strength. Persevere when I lost all strength. So no pedal on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we're into the chorus. But I've been to Calvary. And just keep on, just like the other chorus. And I met the one who gave his life for me. I'm forgiven and I've been set free. Just the same. From this world of... Now, just like the end of the verse, we're going to go into a third chorus where we're just going to kind of hit and sustain chords. But to get into that, we're going to do that pulsing D again. So octave D with the D, F sharp, A, and D. This world of misery, I've been... And that last I've been to the Calvary is actually the beginning of the next chorus. So I've been forgiven and I've been set free. Sea suspended to sea from this world of misery. I've been to Calvary. Now we're just going to hit chords and sustain it. So actually, we can use this G because we've been using this. I've been to Calvary. Then almost a cappella. I've met the one who gave his life for me. E minor, we're just holding it. I'm forgiven to that G with the D, and I've to C been set free from this world of... Then on misery again, we're going to do that pulsing thing. It's going to get us back in the last chorus. World of misery, I've been to Calvary. Play the chorus again with the rhythm. And I met the one who gave his life for me. I'm forgiven and I've been set free from this world of misery. I've been to Calvary. Okay, and we won't go over that lick because that'll be in the lick video. But that's just kind of how it ends. On the last chorus is like a chorus and a tag all together, and you could just play it. You could just hit it. I've been to Calvary, and just kind of end it with a G, and just end it if you're not going to go and watch those licks and everything. Okay. So you're seeing how it's just kind of a loop over and over with a few different things that we do, but that is the whole song on how to play I've Been to Calvary in its simplest form. If you're interested in learning the second verse licks, the chorus licks, and the intro, please watch the other videos. But this actually, you could get through and play this song just like this by just chording. So we will see you at the next lesson where we go over some of the licks of the song. And thank you so much for watching, and see you then.
I've been to Calvary, and I've met the one who gave his life for me. I'm forgiven and I've been set free from this world of misery. I've been to Calvary.